Today we're gonna do some racing. So I know that for sure these two are gonna go at it, Soloman and Raymond, and supposed to be the loser is gonna line up next to me. But the plan today, just have some fun. Let's see what we can run time wise. Hopefully the tires are gonna hold in this prep. It should be really good prep. If they hold, watch out. Hopefully I can get some good grudge racing going on between these three right here. Should be a good time. Should be a good time. I finally convinced Raymond to open up an Instagram, so I'll put his Instagram down here if you guys want to follow Raymond and the cleanest F-body I've ever seen in my life. Go ahead and hit him a follow on Instagram. You guys already know him. He's been on the channel several times. We're gonna see this car in action today. And then of course we got Solomon's junk over here. You know, it's junk, so. Oh my God, this guy. What's up with this guy? What's going on?
Not much.
Huh?
Out here.
You getting ready?
Yeah.
Hope you're ready today.
Oh man,
this is gonna be a defining moment in the YouTube channel.
Everybody else's shit, and I get to finally work on mine.
Oh, you're not working today? I mean,
no, I am.
You kind of have to tune my car to be able to gap yours.
I'm more worried.
How does that make you feel that you have to tune it to beat you?
You've been doing a good job. I don't hate on my friend. I'll be happy for you. When you're passing me, I'm gonna be like this. Good job, sir. Good job.
How does it feel to finally be on IG after?
I don't know, man. You kind of pushed it on me, to be honest.
Pretty much the only option I gave you was do it or I'm doing it for you. So.
Exactly. After you hit me up with that hashtag.
I tag Raymond, but he doesn't have an IG. Man, good time. Cable. The pedal's on the fucking ground.
You're gonna get stuck right?
Hey.
There's nowhere to push.
Daddy got you. Don't worry about it, Juan.
He said there's nowhere to push. He said it feels like it's gonna fall apart when you're pushing on it.
I don't want to push through the fiberglass.
One thing is, you know.
Allen had it. If someone has, I don't have the Allen.
Put Loctite on it too.
Body cable. Came out of the set screw.
Daughter body cable.
I did it to start building loose and it just went. Be right back. Say it again.
I got you next.
All right. You ready?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What?
Maybe like 10 minutes.
Okay. It takes me 45 minutes anyways, apparently. So,
Take your time.
All right.
Could have made 22 on this one. Could have Being that it's a private event, you could have backed up.
I thought about it after the fact.
Whenever I seen you push through, I'm like, okay, back up. And I seen you take off, I'm like,
It was those jitters, man. It wasn't until I made the time, until I came around, I was like,
Oh, so you just made a pass.
yeah, he made a pass,
yeah,
but
I
it pushed
foot
through
braked
the,
it, and the brakes didn't
pushed
hold,
through.
so.
I gotcha.
Pushed through.
And I didn't think about reversing till after the fact.
Can't reverse this next time though.
Yeah.
Red light is
Being that it's a private event, you can always back up.
Yeah, this last, I pulled a 1 on this one too. I forgot to shift to the second.
You thought the air shifter was gonna work?
Yeah. I was like, what the heck?
I'm done with you guys. I'm done with you guys.
I'm done.
Okay. Raymond has been taken out. Next. Soloman Guerrero. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
You ready?
I'm always ready.
Are
Ready
you?
right now?
No. First I need to find ice, I guess.
Oh my god.
And then,
Excuses. There I go all day. Well, I'm gonna just go make a pass and come back. Will you be ready?
yeah.
And I just pull
Yeah,
right up.
you
in
go
here?
do that. Go do that. Yeah. Go do that. Let me know how that works.
I have to save my belt at least. You're right. I gotta watch out for my belt, right? I know I can make the pass and the swings and sixes, but at least.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna find some ice, I guess. Last pass went pretty good, but these tires are toasted. Okay. The tires are done. They've got about 26 passes on them. They're usually good for about 18. We can tell it's just tires are done. But that second and third shift is a little rough right now. There's definitely an issue there. We're gonna run it one more time and get Soloman anyways, just to have a little friendly run. But I do think it's time to take the trans out and get it refreshed. Obviously, need new tires, so we're gonna have to do that for next year. But yeah, I think we're gonna run one more time and call it there and see what happens.
Too soon, Junior.
What are you smiling about? Dude, I almost had you. You almost had me. You never had me. You never had your car.
Alright, so that's it for today. Obviously the tires are done like I said in the last pass, and we still got some sort of third gear issue with RPM. It's kind of like, maybe I'll put the graph up here, you guys can take a look to see how third gear is acting. It's kind of funny, and I've kind of had this problem running the 7-second passes, but it hasn't been this severe. Now that I'm pushing more power, I think either something going on with transmission converter or something going on there. But for now, we've got some decent passes underneath us today. We had a lot of fun. Had a blast racing Soloman. That was such a great pass. Barely caught him in the end. It was just great to be able to roll around him like that. Raymond's still having a couple of issues with his Pro Charger setup, but he's gonna get that fixed. We're gonna probably come out with that car soon. But guess that's it, huh? Alright. What else can we do now?
Go get some Whataburger.
Do us a couple street races, you know.
And what else? I mean, after that, what are we gonna do?
Get the V-Bands.
We're not going turbo.
We are going turbo. We are. You just don't know yet. But no, what? We gotta say my end line so I can end the video.
Well, I mean, we gotta go home and get to work.
There we go.